Yo, what's good? I'm Real Deal. Welcome back. It's Friday. You know the deal. Freestyle Friday. And the rules are simple. Every single time, we're going to make a beat and we're just going to drop some bars. Let's get into it. I'm feeling confident because I just listened to Clipse new album, like God Sort Him Out. So I got some inspiration, you know what I'm saying? So hopefully it's felt, you know?
This was me this morning. I was really craving biscuits and gravy, so I went to Maple Biscuit Company. And while I was waiting for my food, I was like, let me work on my little bars. So that's what I did. But, you know, sometimes you get shot in public. So it's just a lot of babble, and a lot of staring. But, you know, practice makes perfect.
We got our 4-bar loop. We've turned it into 16 bars, give or take. We got our beat ready. Let's get ready for this Freestyle Friday. You know what though? I think I'm gonna need a little more assistance today. So we gotta look the part, you know? We gotta look the part. I don't think y'all ready for Mom's spaghetti. Let's go. All right, I think we ready for this one. You ever had one shot or one opportunity to seize them? I feel like this makes me better. Here we go. Real. It's the realest. Freestyle Friday. Y'all ready? I'm not recording my vocals, so I just recorded over. I do it all the time. This is what happens when I try to be cool. That's why you don't try to be cool. Just be yourself. All right, take 2 for real. Or take 1, because remember, I edit this. I could just make it, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, here we go. Real, it's the realest. Freestyle Friday, let's get it on. Got the hoodie on. Don't stop me. Ever since I was a kid, I was afraid of public speaking. Now I'm up on YouTube and I'm straight up tweaking. Name is Real Deal, cause I cannot tell a lie. I'm telling y'all my story and I'm trying to get it right. You think I'm dreaming? You think I'm mistaken? Baby, I come home with the bacon. Every day I cook when I cook and I work. And I do this shit called music like it's church, cause I can't stop writing and I can't stop spitting. Every single Friday y'all get something to believe in. I just listened to that Clipse and it got me in my lips. But that shit don't make no sense. And I'm here every day making 50 cents. And I won't stop, can't stop. Cause until I'm top. Ooh, that was decent. That was decent. And I'm gonna put it on the hoodie. It's the hoodie. All right, here we go. Take 2. Let's go. Ooh, I'm on fire. I gotta put the hoodie on though. Real, it's the realest. Freestyle Friday, let's get it. I think we're like on number 9. What a day to be alive because it's Friday. I can't wait cause you know that it's my day. Gonna see Christopher Cross. Gonna get it all off. Going concert up in West Palm Beach. Before I get something to eat, gonna get some little snack. He's gonna crack my tequila. Shout out tequila. Ooh, I can feel ya. I can't wait to jam all night. Total singing about Africa. Damn it. I set myself up, bro. But I can't stop, and I'm not gonna stop, cause I'm focused on my dreams. Ain't no going back now. Listen to DeLorean, baby, got no time machine. Yeah. All right, yo. That's it for today. I feel happy enough with these 2 16-bar verses that I did. Let me know what you think of the verses. Shout out to the homie from the last video that dropped some bars in the comment section. I love it. Please, if y'all got any of your bars, drop it below. If y'all want the beat, let me know. I might just finish it and I'll send it to one of y'all. You know what I'm saying? Some of these beats I keep for myself. Some of them I don't do anything with them. So you let me know. That's all I got for y'all today. Like, I kind of try to spit it, but you know, I kind of got a little conflicted. I'm going to see Toto tonight. I'm going to see Christopher Cross, and I'm going to see Men at Work. So yeah, I gotta take this hoodie off. It's hot. I live in Florida. That's all I got for y'all today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And like always, don't sleep on me, y'all. Peace.